If your skin keeps getting dry, tight, itchy, flaky, or irritated, there's a reason for it. And the good news is, it's fixable. Today I'm breaking down the 2 biggest causes of dry skin and the simple steps that actually stop it from happening. Dry skin shows up the same way for almost everyone. Tightness after showering, flakes around the nose or eyebrows, hands that crack in winter, or skin that burns when you put on lotion. Those are all signs your skin is losing moisture faster than it can hold on to it. And that happens because of 2 things: humidity and soaps. Humidity controls how fast moisture leaves your skin. When humidity is low, winter, indoor heating, AC, desert climates, the air pulls water out of your skin. That's why your skin gets worse in winter, worse after flights, and worse when you're indoors all day. If the air is dry, your skin dries out with it. The second cause is soaps. Most soaps are designed to remove oils, but your skin needs some of those oils to stay protected. When soaps are too strong, they strip away your natural barrier. And once that barrier is gone, moisture escapes even faster. That's why your skin feels fine before a shower, and then tight or burning right after. Dry air pulls moisture out. Harsh soaps remove the oils that keep moisture in. Put those together, and your skin can't hold on to anything. Not water, not lotion, nothing. This is why lotion doesn't seem to work for a lot of people. It's not the lotion, it's the barrier. Step 1. Switch to a gentle cleanser. Look for words like hydrating, cream cleanser, or non-foaming. Foam strips more oils. Cream cleansers protect your barrier. Step 2. Moisturize within 2 minutes of showering. This is the biggest fix. When your skin is still damp, it absorbs moisture better and holds on to it longer. Step 3. Shorter, cooler showers. Hot water removes oils fast. Warm water cleans just as well without damaging your skin. Step 4. Add humidity back into the air. A small humidifier in your bedroom can completely change how your skin feels in the morning. Your skin repairs itself overnight, but only if the air isn't drying it out. Step 5. Use barrier repair moisturizers. Look for ceramides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or squalane. These rebuild the barrier that soaps and dry air break down. When you fix humidity and soaps at the same time, everything changes. Your skin holds moisture better, lotion actually works, redness goes down, flakiness disappears, and your skin finally feels comfortable again. Dry skin isn't random, it's environmental. Fix the environment and the problem goes away. I'm Scott, and if you like quick fixes that actually make sense, hit like and subscribe. More tips coming your way.